Jeremy Martin 72 here, and I'm going to show you how to install the Google Pixelbuds second generation true wireless. You're going to want to make sure your Bluetooth is on, and all you do is open up the case, and as you can see, I'm already prompted in the top here, and you just follow what the prompts say. Drag it back down and you can watch it as it's connecting. Of course, you're going to want to make sure that you signed in and also have your Bluetooth on. And as you can see, we are ready. It says tap to finish, and it'll walk you through the setup with wonderful animations. And go ahead and hit start setup and the usual legal terms. And you don't have to put both of them on. In this situation, I'm just going to put one set in on my right ear. And I'm going to push next. And I can hear some really nice subtle music in the background. And when you get these, it does come with three different, I guess they're ear plungers or whatever you want to call them. And you go through them, you try all of them on and find out which one works the best. Now this is capacitive touch, so all you have to do is drag your finger across. And see, I'm not touching my phone to turn the volume up. I'm just dragging my finger across. Alright, and then 2 to next track. And then previous track is 3. And the case is really nice. The case does look and feel like an egg. And it also does wirelessly charge. And if you do have the Pixel stand, you just have to turn it upside down because the wireless charging coils obviously is not in the hinge of the case. And nice little animation here to show you what's what. The three copper pieces are how it charges. There's your microphone and your capacitive touch. And it walks you through everything. In ear detection, I'm going to show you how to turn that on. And that little piece that they were showing you, it actually feels nice in your ear. You're definitely going to want them to send emails on all the updates, but if you're a privacy fiend, you want to make sure to turn send usage and diagnostics off. And it's very integrated with Google Assistant. And it walks you through the usual for any made by a Google device. It walks you through getting your assistant hooked up and all that other stuff. And you haven't already trained your assistant, then you can do it here. But my assistant should already be trained. Touch and hold your earbud while talking is how you can summon the assistant.